Yes Bank, a private sector lender, had become quite the talk of the town back in the day. But something went wrong in 2020 and the scam led to a widespread crisis. Do you know how it happened? Do you know what the scam was all about? Please stay tuned to know more. The banking system in India has been working tirelessly to spread its roots all over the country, and now even the remotest of villages have a bank branch somewhere. In this attempt to make sure that the banking channels are well spread out, a lot of private banks came into existence. One of these was Yes Bank. Yes Bank back in the day was known for its aggressive lending strategies. It gave loans to a lot of people, and in a lot of cases, these loans were not secured against adequate assets. But Yes Bank, in its attempt to grow its presence in order to become the numero uno bank, started giving loans left, right, and center to people who were not even deserving of any of these loans. And one of the main perpetrators back in the day was the co-founder of Yes Bank by the name Rana Kapoor. You know what he did? He would give loans to private sector companies or private individuals by accepting bribes from them. And he would then ask them to channel a part of these funds into shell companies which were run by his families. One such major issue happened with Diwan Housing Finance Limited back in the day, when he gave a loan of 3,700 crores to this company, and this company then gave a loan of 600 crores to another entity which was basically run by Rana Kapoor's daughters. And this way, the money started circulating from Yes Bank towards his own family members or towards his own close circles, and money that was obtained from different sources was getting channeled into all of these activities. What was the outcome? Initially, it all went well and it all looked very, very attractive. But later, a lot of these loans started turning bad, in the sense the borrowers were not paying interest, the borrowers had not repaid the capital, because mostly these borrowers were his family members who were never going to return the money. And all hell broke loose. Naturally, one fine day, RBI had to intervene. It caused a massive scandal. RBI took control of the bank, and for a couple of days, I remember in 2020, because I have seen this firsthand, I saw how the withdrawals in Yes Bank were capped at 50,000 rupees a day for a couple of days. Withdrawals had been reduced because honestly the bank had no money to pay. So had I walked into an ATM and swiped my card, nothing would have come out of the ATM machine, because the bank did not have money to return me my money that I had kept in the form of a deposit. So that caused a massive crisis. Investors lost their confidence and the share prices of Yes Bank tumbled left, right, and center. Now, because see, the moment RBI comes into picture, eyebrows will be raised. People will lose faith in the bank. RBI had to bring in State Bank of India and other PSU lenders and banks to come into the picture and rescue Yes Bank. Of course, the bank was resurrected. The bank is still functioning, but the shares have constantly been at a low for a very long time now, and public faith in the bank has been impaired. What happened to Rana Kapoor? Of course, there was an enforcement directorate case against him. He was charged for money laundering, for criminal conspiracies, for frauds, and a whole lot of other activities, nefarious activities that he was party to. What happens is, in a greed to expand your business, to reach more people, banks or businessmen in general try to take the shortcut route, and they circumvent the law, having zero regard for the law of the land. Ultimately, things catch up, and that leads to a downfall of many a large organization. Yes Bank has been no exception. Do let us know which other scam or which other business news you would want to hear an analysis about, and we'll have that in the next video. Also, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and do share the video with your friends.